Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website, from which you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be asked to enter your email address and password to log in. Now you can proceed with logging into your account first by entering your account details, and then you can change your password from within by visiting the account settings. However, you can also click on the forgot password button and you will be asked to enter your email address to reset your password. Type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and click on the send button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So just check your inbox within the email you used to sign up and you will find an email from Unibet, within which you can click on the link that is given within to reset your password. Once you click on this link, you will immediately be allowed to create your new password. After typing in your desired new password, click on confirm, and now you will be told that your password has successfully been reset. Then you can click on back to login, and then you can use your newly set password along with your original email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Unibet website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.